What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you survived the crash yesterday. If you watched my video, you would have expected it. And we even dropped down to the level which I said we would drop down to, which was this major level between 117.5 and 112.5. Dropped down there, got a big flush. Funding rates across the markets right now are normalized. Some of them are getting higher again very quickly. That's just the markets. But as you can see, Solana actually did drop down to that 0.1% level again, which is pretty normal. All right, so we got flushed, and now I think the situation for Solana is basically the same as it was yesterday. All right, which is that we're in this very tight consolidation. I think the chart right now is a little bit messy. There's a lot of lines all over the place. So I'll try to make that a little bit more clear during this video. But overall, I think we're in that same situation, all right? And apart from that, I do think that if you look across the markets, Solana has actually been one of the top performers. And meme coins from Solana, for example, are doing great as well. We see some more bullish momentum from big projects like Jito, like Jupiter. Historically, that hasn't always mattered that much, including the total value locked for Solana, which, as most of you know, and I try to show you this almost every video, total value locked is also still very high. So fundamentally, I would say Solana is still very bullish. The thing is that technically we're just waiting again, all right? I would say yesterday you saw that Solana Luna AVAX kind of narrative or kind of rotation was playing up. I do think that still has potential. So basically that means that Solana, Luna Classic, and AVAX, they kind of move together at times. And that also was the case yesterday. Might be one of the reasons why we're recovering so quickly right now. However, the big question is, or the main thing we're waiting for is a breakout. Because technically what I would say, and for that I'm going to try to make it a bit more clear, technically we're just in this consolidation range. All right, so our main resistance level is kind of right here at like 135, 138 even. Up there, historically, there's a strong resistance level, but over the last couple of days, we've also respected that thoroughly. And then, excuse me, I have to turn my sound up a little bit, so it might be a bit louder right now. And then as a support, and you can also see that was respected yesterday after the flush, we have 125. And we're just waiting for a breakout. And if I look at the market circumstances right now, and if I talk about the fundamentals for Solana, and most of you already know, but my thoughts fundamentally on Solana, apart from the numbers we just looked at, are quite bullish as well. And I cannot move this chart anymore. I'm not sure why, but all right. Should I do this? Yeah, like this. But I think that if retail really comes back, and Coinbase is ranking quite high in the rankings right now, I think Solana will be one of the best performers. So in general, what I think, but I told you this in the last couple of videos as well, I think technically we are neutral right now. If you zoom out enough, we're bullish, of course. But technically on the short term, we're neutral. We're waiting for a breakout. I expect us to get that bullish breakout. But in the end, confirmation is the best thing to wait for, all right? The crypto markets are pretty crazy. If for whatever reason we get some sort of a bearish breakout, then that will probably be respected as well. It's not something I would expect. And right now you can also see that Solana, for example, in terms of open interest, is recovering quite nicely. A lot of spot buys coming in. At least in dollars, it's recovering quite nicely, as you can see. So in general, I have no reason to believe why this consolidation would break to the downside. And then if we're talking about a breakout coming out in these market circumstances, I think the bullish breakout is the more likely one. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for today. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.